E kaunti ma Migori en ni duond od buch ODM koro to iseyo ahinya kaluwore kod kaka gichano timo nominations e kaunti ma Migori kono ero. Koloso kod ute fwambo e boma ma Migori, jachung' e laro kom od bura ma Awendo mano ero Bishop Peter Midodo owacho ni ODM okawo okang' mar chiwo tiko manyalodia ka ok giluwo yo makare moriwo kanyakla ka okang' mar duoko pesa mago eko mag nominations ne aspirants ma bende nosechiwo pesa makamago eko. Owacho ni ji manok e Orange House ketho mokalo ne jatend duond od bura noero mar ODM moluor Raila Odinga ka ochayo mokalo kaka opinion polls notim e kar chung' od bura ma Awendo kono ero.
I've been running on the ODM ticket, and as things stand now, we feel really badly shortchanged by the party. Consensus building has been going on around, and us who have been vying for this position in Awendo constituency, we were never called for any meeting. In fact, the first time and the last time they called us for a meeting was last week on Friday, that is. And the party chairman, John Mbadi, told us that they are going to use the results of an opinion poll, which we don't know when it was conducted, to issue a direct ticket to the current member of parliament. And when the results were released, we were told that the incumbent has 55%, and the second person who got 26% was someone who is never even running. And the third person, according to the opinion poll, is another person who is not even running, who got 10%. Then us, the two of us who are running on the ODM ticket against the incumbent, were given 7%. And we feel this is very unfairly done. When we protested, the chairman, John Mbadi, told us that another opinion poll will be conducted and the results will be released on Sunday. So they called us again for another meeting last Sunday. And when we went there, they switched off. And we tried to contact the NEB. Nobody could even answer our calls. I feel shortchanged. I feel this is undemocratic. And this is against the spirit of democracy that Raila Odinga has been fighting for. The cartels within the ODM party need to know that they need to handle people correctly. And us from Awendo constituency, we have decided to move on. And so I've jumped out of ODM as a party, and I'm going to contest as an independent candidate. I'm assuring my supporters that it will be a win for us. Let's move on, let's fight on. August the 9th will be the day when Awendo constituency residents will make the decision. I want to ask all my supporters that Raila Odinga is our presidential candidate, but we must appoint or elect the right person for our constituency.